Hello, my name is Julie Savarino. I'm an attorney and hold an MBA. For over 30 years, I've worked with the world's leading lawyers, law firms, accounting firms, and professional service providers in the area of business development. One thing that all lawyers and professional service providers have in common is that we're very short on available non-billable time. Our business development usually falls by the wayside because we're so busy. And that's the reason I wrote this book. It's entitled Master Level Business and Client Development Checklists for Lawyers and Other Professional Service Providers. This is a great and very useful book. Why? Well, it's written in checklist form, and that's much different than most books. Most books are written in a narrative form, whereby you have to then consider how you're going to put the information to use after you've taken the time to read it. Not with this book. You can actually check the boxes that are most of interest to you and the things you want to implement as you read it, so it's immediately useful. If you're interested in purchasing it, I invite you to visit Amazon, and thank you very much for your time.